Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shams, also known as Crafty Boy. In this video, we're talking about how to mix the beats. So let's get started. So guys, in the previous two videos, I have made this beat, and if you guys are new here and if you guys haven't watched the video, you will get the link in the card and in the description. In the last video, I have told you that levels are high and few sounds are overpowering. Let's listen to it once. Please keep your eye on the master channel, okay? So as you can see, the master channel is red and going more than 8 dB. Okay, that is bad. And we want to keep our master channel green and less than 0 dB, okay? Or 0 dB. As you can see here, all the sounds are at 0 dB. So let's bring them to down about say about minus 10 dB. Okay, so minus 10. I think you can select all and just change the value. Yes. Okay, done. Let's listen to it once. Cool. Now as you can see, our levels are fine now, but it's still not mixed. Let's do one thing. Let's set all the elements to minus 12 from minus 10. Let's select them all. Minus 12. Done. Listen to it once again. Sorted. Now we are getting a good headroom of about minus 4 less than 4 dB. That's good. So let's start mixing now. Now let's add a EQ to our kick. I'm going to pick EQ 8. I'm going to cut the lows. Okay, that's about it. Now as you can listen, our kick doesn't have much attack in it, okay? Let's add some attack to it. Now I will add a transient shaper to this. Now let's pick a plugin. I'm using SPL Transient Designer. Okay. Now let's increase the attack as I play the song. Perfect. Now that I have added some attack, now let's listen to it by enabling and disabling it. Okay. Perfect. Now there is some attack in the kick. Now let's go to our snare. Let's solo our snare and loop it. Let's add a EQ8. Let's cut some lows. Now as you saw in this range, there are some frequencies that are rich. Okay, now let's boost them. Perfect. Now let's cut some of the highs. Sorted. Now let's add a very small amount of reverb to it. Sorted. That's a small amount of reverb in it. Now let's move on to our second snare. Let's add a EQ8. Cut the lows. Now there is some rich frequency here. I'm going to boost that a little. Just a very small amount. Let's cut some of the highs. Sorted. Now let's listen to both the snares together once. Good. Now let's group them together and add a glue compressor to it, okay, so that it sound as one. Okay. Sorted. Now let's listen to the entire track once. Okay, now everything sounds good, but our hi-hats are a little more high. So what I'll do is I'll bring them down to say about -14. Listen to them once. Okay, that's about it. Now let's EQ our hi-hats. EQ8. Let's cut the lows. Let's boost some highs. Okay, that sounds good. Now let's do some magic here, okay? I will pick auto pan, drag and drop on our hi-hats. Now let's listen to it. Nice. This gave a stereo effect to it and it's panning from right to left. Okay, the amount depends on your taste and your sounding, okay? You can make it full 100% or bring them down to 50. I'm going to set at 34, okay? Right. Let's add some reverb to it. Okay, nice. I think I will add a very small amount of delay in it. A very small amount of delay. Okay. Perfect. Now let's listen to the entire track once. Nice. Now let's move on to our 808. Let's add a EQA to it. Let's cut some highs. Perfect. Now let's add some distortion. So I'm gonna pick overdrive. Nice. I've got this effect now. Let's keep our overdrive first and then our compressor at the last. Okay, now let's listen to the entire track once. Sorry. I think the 808 is sounding too much. I think I will make it around -16. Okay. Perfect. As you can see, our master channel also, it's green and it's not going more than 0 dB. It is minus 0.94. That is a good headroom. Okay, now let's mix our master channel. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing on the master channel now. Okay, now let's glue all the sound as one. Okay, so that I'll use glue compressor. Okay, and a EQ8. Okay, first let's EQ them. Now let's compress them. Let's add a limiter to this. Let's increase the gain. I feel the attack is too much on the kick, so I'm going to reduce that. Perfect. Even the 808 is too much, so I'm going to bring down that to minus 18, and snare also is little too much, I felt. So what I'll do is I'll bring down to minus 14, or what I can do is uh, reduce that on the group itself. I'll bring down to minus 2. Okay. Perfect. That's it, guys. This is a completion of the how to make a beat tutorial video, the part 3 of it, mixing of the beats. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you guys are notified when I post another video on music production. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep rocking.